Which player has won the first Ballon d'Or?
Charlie.
No, Stanley Matthews. Which team is nicknamed the Baggies?
West Brom.
Yeah.
I prefer really not to speak.
Which player has scored the fastest ever Premier League goal? Kieran, was that?
Shane Long.
Yeah.
Nope.
I wouldn't let him anywhere near a football pitch again.
Which goalkeeper has the most Premier League clean sheets?
Check.
Yeah. In FIFA 20, the team Piemonte Calcio represents which club?
Juventus.
Good shake, Kieran.
I know.
Which football chant about two brothers is a parody of There's No Limit? Yeah.
Colo Turri.
Yeah.
Kilimanjaro.
It is decent.